Security key authentication is one of the strongest forms of authentication available, as it is resistant to phishing attempts while being easy to use. In this video, we explore security key authentication with LoginTC and how to manage FIDO2 tokens in your organization. From the dashboard of the LoginTC admin panel, go to Settings in the left-hand sidebar. Go to the Enrollment email section and click Edit. In the Email Methods section, ensure Enrollment link is selected and that security keys are enabled in the Authentication Methods section. Scroll to the bottom and click Update. Let's test sending an enrollment email. Go to Users in the left-hand sidebar and click on a user, in this case, john.doe. In the Actions column under Domain Membership, click Send Enrollment Email. Confirm this action by clicking Send Enrollment in the dialog window that appears, and then click Done. Now, as the end user, we'll open the enrollment email in our inbox and click the link to open our enrollment portal. Click Start Enrollment to begin, and then select Security Key. Insert the security key and click Next. When the dialog box appears asking if you want to create a passkey, tap the button on the security key. Click Allow and then Continue. The security key has now been enrolled for that user. Click Exit Enrollment when finished. Back in the LoginTC admin panel, let's check our user details. Click on the Users tab and select the user that just added their new security key. Scroll down to the Security Keys section to check that the key has now been enrolled. If you want to disassociate the key from that user, you can do so by clicking Remove Security Key and then confirming in the dialog box. We'll leave it associated for now. We can also check by going to the Security Keys tab in the left-hand sidebar and searching for the user john.doe. The security key can also be deleted from the user by selecting the user and clicking Delete. Again, we will leave it associated for now. Now let's set up a policy to manage security keys in our organization. Go to Policies in the left-hand sidebar and select Create Policy in the top right-hand corner. We're going to name the policy Security Key. Scroll down to the Authentication Methods section and enable security keys. At the bottom of the page, click Create. Now we're going to associate the policy with a specific application. Go to Applications in the left-hand sidebar and select the application you wish to apply the policy to. In this case, we're going to apply it to our Outlook web app. Scroll down to the Application Policy section and click Apply Application Policy. From the drop-down list, select our security key policy we just created and click Apply and Done. Let's test our new authentication policy. Navigate to the LoginTC protected application and input the user's first-factor credentials. When prompted for second-factor credentials, select Security Key from the drop-down list. Insert the security key and tap the button to complete authentication. We can confirm the authentication details by checking the Authentication Logs tab in the LoginTC admin panel. The most recent log entry shows that an authentication challenge using a security key was granted, the user it came from, as well as the time and approximate location of the request. Security keys are a strong and effective authentication method, and with LoginTC, it's easy to deploy and manage them in your organization.